Whether that's because of unreasonably increasing hosting pricing, bad customer service, or simply because you want a fresh start for your brand or business, sometimes you just have to make hard decisions. But more on that later, because right now, I'll show you how to successfully apply a coupon code to your already discounted hosting plan with Hostinger and get double savings on one of the highest online marketing costs that any brand can have these days. To get started, simply go to hostinger.com and scroll down until you see their hosting packages. And this kind little robot guy seems very nice, but let's not talk to him right now. You may study your options here and select the plan that better fits your needs. For my case, the package that better suited my needs was the business package, mainly because of these 4 features. And the fact that it offers 200 gigabytes worth of storage, more specifically NVMe storage, which according to our BFF ChatGPT, quote, provides superior performance due to its protocol and interface when compared to traditional SSD or solid-state disk storage. So, only for this time, let's just trust AI because what could possibly go wrong? Anyway, so once you've made your decision, just go ahead and click Choose Plan, and you'll be taken to this pre-checkout page where you'll be able to choose between getting a 12-month plan, a 24-month plan, or a 48-month plan. And I know what you may be thinking, where's the 36-month plan? Well,
it's just the way it is.
What I did do, though, was to create this comparison chart with the monthly prices of each package as of the recording of this video. A little visual aid to help you decide which plan is better for your brand's budget in the long run. Once you've chosen your plan and the term, simply click here where it says to have a coupon code. That is, of course, right after proceeding to frantically go searching online for available coupon codes that are actually working right now. But luckily for you, I added the latest functional code I could find to the description box in this video. For example, this is the coupon code light at the time of recording this video, which helped me get a second discount on my already discounted hosting plan with Hostinger. Don't forget to click apply, and you'll see the new calculation of how much extra money you'll be saving on the web hosting plan that you're about to purchase. Once you're happy with the result, you may go ahead and click continue. Here, you'll be either asked to create a Hostinger account in case you don't have one yet, or log into your account in case you already have one. Next, simply enter your billing details and click continue. Select your preferred payment method, and you'll be guided through the steps of the payment process. Great, so now let's all have cake to celebrate how much you'll be saving in hosting. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you'd like to see me share how I transferred a website and 10,000 emails to a new hosting server, please let me know in the comments down below.